Annyeonghaseyo Yorban, I am your Korean language teacher Ahmed, and today is our second part of chapter number 3. So first is our ilki. Ilki is reading. Thaum next Neyong gwa. Neyong is content. Gwa is with. Kwange innan is relation. Kurim is picture. Koro shipsho select. Now there is uija imnida. Uija is here. Our answer is number 1. Uija imnida. This is chair. In number 2, thaum next. Thano is word. Wa with. Kwange innan is relation. Kausal is object. Moat what imnika. Kindly select the related word. So sofa is a khagu. Khagu is furniture. Number 3, thaum next. Chung is between. Mitchell is underline. Chin bubun is a part of underline. Majnan is better. Munjang is sentence. Koro shipsho select. Number 1, phange otjang ga opsoyo. Because there is ga is not correct. If there is e, then it will be correct. Number 2, chonan nongbu is farmer. E anieo. So chonan nongbu ga anieo. This is not correct. So thara shi havesae is soyo. This is correct. Thara shi havesae is soyo. Thara is in the company. Number 4, Yusufunan shikdange pabal mogoyo. Shikdang eso pabal mogoyo. So this is not correct. In number 4, Pinkan is blanks. Thorokal is go in. Jang is the most. Almajan better. Causal object. Koro shipsho select. Moriga nomo. Mori is head, but here also you can say here. Moriga nomo kiroyo. Kiroyo is long. My hair is very long. Neil tomorrow. Mori here. Charada is cut. For cutting hair, I will go. Khalkoyo is I will go. So he will go to Myeongshil hair salon. Question number 5. Thaum next. Khul is article and paragraph. Ilk go. Read and. Neyung is content. Gwa with khatan got is similar. Koro shipsho select. Hanguke in Korea. Hange is one. Thakbyolshi is special city. Wa and Hange and one also. Thakbyol Chachi is actually separate city. So in Korea there is a special city like Seoul and one special separate city. Yosotge 6. Kwangsokshi is metropolitan big cities. Isamnida there. Seoul none. Kajang is the most. Khun is big. Thoshi is city. Chongchi is politics. Kyongjae is economics. Monhwa is culture. Chongshim is center. Imnida. Seoul is the biggest city and center of politics, economics and culture. Busan none. Thubunche is second. Khun big. Thoshi city. Aramdaun beautiful. Haebyeon is beach. Isomanan is many. Kwangek these are visitors. Pangmun is visit. Hamnida they do. So Busan is second biggest city and very beautiful with the very beautiful beach and so many visitors visits there. Incheon Kukje is international. Konghang is airport. Gwa and Incheon Hang is port. Isnan Daehanminguk is Republic of Korea. Where is of Kwanmun. Kwanmun is gateway. Imnida. Incheon is the gateway of Korea because of its international airport and port. Now go to the answers. Incheon은 한국의 도시 중에서 두 번째로 큰 곳입니다. Incheon is second biggest city. No, it is not second. The second biggest city is Busan. Number 2. 한국의 특별 시와 광역시가 모두 6개 있습니다. No, the 6 metropolitan cities are not included Seoul. They are separate. Now number 3. 관광객들. 관광객들 is visitors. 아름다운 beautiful 해변 beach 보러 to watch. Busan is city 찾습니다. They search. So the visitors search Busan for the beautiful beach. So this is our answer. Number 4. 한국에서 가장 is the most. 큰 is big. 도시 is city. Seoul 대한민국 관문입니다. Seoul is biggest city but not the gateway of South Korea. So this is not our answer. Our correct answer is number 3. Now the 듣기 of chapter number 3. Let's start.
1번. 다음을 듣고 빈칸에 알맞은 것을 고르십시오.
다음 next 듣고 listen. 빈칸에 is blanks. 알맞은 better causal object 고르십시오. select.
여기는 은행입니다.
여기는 은행입니다. 은행 is bank. So there is a bank.
2번부터 3번까지 다음을 듣고 물음에 알맞은 대답을 고르십시오.
Now number 2 and number 3. 다음 next 듣고 listen. 물음에 is question. 알맞은 better. 대답 is answer. 고르십시오. select.
2번. 의자가 있어요?
의자가 있어요. There is a chair.
1. 네, 의자를 사요.
네, yes, 의자를 사요. I bought a chair.
2. 네, 의자가 많아요.
네, yes, 의자가 chairs are 많아요. Many. So this is our answer.
3. 아니요, 의자예요.
아니요, 의자예요. No, this is chair.
4. 아니요, 의자가 높아요.
아니요, no, 의자가 높아요. 높아요 is high.
3번.
시장에 어떻게 갔어요?
How you went to market?
1. 어제 갔어요.
어제 갔어요. Yesterday I went to market.
2. 매일 갔어요.
매일 갔어요. 매일 daily and 갔어요. I went.
3. 친구가 갔어요.
친구가 갔어요. My friend went there.
4. 지하철로 갔어요.
Number 4. 지하철로 갔어요. By a train. I go by a train. This is our answer.
4번. 두 사람은 무엇에 대해 말하고 있습니까?
Number 4. Two 사람, two people. 뭐엇 대해. What about. 뭐엇 is what. 대해 is about. 말하고 있습니까? What they are talking about.
집에 에어컨이 있어요?
집에 에어컨이 있어요. Is there an air conditioner in your home?
에어컨은 없어요.
에어컨은 없어요. No, I have no AC in my home.
선풍기가 있어요.
Yes, but I have a fan in my home.
5번. 다음을 듣고 이어지는 말로 가장 알맞은 것을 고르십시오.
다음 next 듣고 listen. EOG is continuous and mal is your words. Khajang better almajan. Khajang almajan is the most better. causal object 고르십시오.
근처에 시장이 있어요?
근처에 시장이 있어요. Is there a market nearby?
1. 네, 저는 시장에 자주 가요.
네, yes, 저는 I am 시장에 market 자주 often 가요 go there.
2. 네, 시장에서 과일을 살 거예요.
네, yes, 시장에서 과일 is fruit 살 거예요. I will buy fruits from market.
3. 아니요, 시장은 없고 마트는 있어요.
아니요, no, 시장 없고 there is no market, but mart 있어요. Mart is there. So this is our answer.
4. 아니요, 채소는 시장에서 사는 게 좋아요.
아니요, no, 채소 is vegetables. 시장에서 from market 사는 게 좋아요. Better to buy from market. So our answer is number 3.